Will your case go to trial? Every case that I handle, we plan to go to trial. However, the better your case, the less likely it will be to go to trial. What happens with the medical malpractice case is that once you file the lawsuit, the insurance company will do what's called an internal evaluation of the case with a doctor who will review the medical records and draw a conclusion as to the merit of the case. If your case is strong, the internal review by the doctor at the insurance company will likely conclude the same thing, that it's a case that has merit and should be settled. If you have a weak case, the internal review by the doctor for the insurance company will likely conclude that your case is weak and that it should go to trial. The big mistake that you can make is simply because you think that you filed a lawsuit that you're going to have a settlement. It doesn't work that way. You have to prove the merit of your case, that there is a deviation from accepted medical standards of care, and number two, that that deviation from the standard of care caused harm or injury to you. And if you have both of those, and you have a rock-solid case, more likely than not, in fact, 90% of my cases settle either on the day of the trial, maybe the second day of the trial, but many of them will settle even before the trial. So if you have a strong case, it's likely that your case will settle at trial or just before. If you want more questions about whether your case will settle before trial, please get my free ebook, The 7 Deadly Mistakes of Malpractice Victims, which you can get from the homepage of my website, protectingpatientrights.com.